Hi everyone, this is Hugo and I am the founder and main artist of Rendimension. Today we will be talking about a rendering project without the CAD plans. So sometimes we have received some inquiries about if we can prepare a project without the plans, PDF, blueprints, or AutoCAD files. And the answer is yes. We only need some photos of the space, and with some notes we can start working on it. This time we will show you a restaurant project that we did some time ago, and we only received a very schematic information and some photos and just a basic layout. Here, this is a floor plan that we received. We only have here marked the center area with some banquets, the table zone, and the bar space. As you can see in this layout, we don't have any dimensions, we don't have any height, and we only have the layout for the position of all the elements. After that, we receive a photo of the actual space. How is right now the space? We can see at the end the place in where is gonna be the bar, and we have something about the ceiling, and that's it. Also, this is another perspective photo of the space in the current scene. So it was all the information that we have to start with it. What we could do in this case, we can prepare the 3D rendering, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna need some sketch or notes from you. The other elements we're gonna try to model in proportion to the photograph received. Here is a photo scan from the client, and he started to send us some notes about what he needs in each part of the project. So he needs at the center, we need to modify the ceiling, and we have to put some chandeliers. We have to modify also the back wall of the bar. And with this information, we can start preparing the 3D. This is the first drafter that we share with the client of the 3D space. So we can see here, we have a clean, empty space. This is another view of the 3D. In this view, you can also check that we have modified the ceiling space, and we have also modified the back part of the bar. So we sent that renderings, that previews to the client, and he sent us back with some notes and comments to start getting the shape of the final file. Also, we received some photos of the elements that he wanted to add on the rendering. These are some kind of bar stools, and now we will show you some of the pre-renderings that we have done with the information. Well, here we have another elements that of course we received from the client, but the idea in the work process was the same. So we received some photos and some ideas and some notes in the spaces that we sent to him. this is another angle, so you can now see the difference between the first one, the photo of the real space. Here at the center we could see the big center table, and we could see the layout of the tables, the chairs, and the modifications of the bar. After, we continue receiving some notes and some specifications to add to the scene of the client, as always we do. So now we receive this very specific model for chandelier to add on the scene, and we receive the photos of the materials that they want to add. Here is the final result of the rendering. As you can see, we have added and modeled all the chandelier, and we have covered with some special fabrics that the client requests to us. This is the other view of the scene. Well, at the end, this project is not done yet. We are still receiving updates and markups from the client, but in this video I wanted to show you how this could work with only the photos. Well, this is the other view of the scene. This project is not final, so we are still in process to make some adjustments and detail some things, but I think this is a good example in the way that we could work a project from just photograph. This is all for now, and if you have any question, you can contact us at our website. It's rendimension.com. Our email is rendimension@gmail.com, and see you on the next project.